What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors on a rainy day, and we're gonna do a little walk around under this awning here, kind of keep out of that water out there. This is a 61 model Corvette. It's got an awesome look to it. This is one of my favorite years just because it looks like a model car. It's got a 283 in it, pretty good running motor, nice and quiet. We'll be starting it up here in a moment. I went ahead and opened the hood just to make it easier so I'm not flipping the camera around. Same with the trunk. We'll shut it all up by the end of the video. They open nice and easy. We'll get you some undercarriage shots, also some interior shots. We're gonna go over everything and any flaws that I see. If you have any other questions, you can visit our website. Should answer most of them. Go to maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and transportation options. We do these kind of cars every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see classic cars every single day that are for sale. This is a pretty clean car. It does have some stuff that's not working on it, so we're going to be going over everything. We're going to start up here in the front and look for any paint flaws first. Looks like the front bumpers are in great shape. They're nice and clean, shiny. That grill looks awesome. Headlight bezels are in great shape as well. The little screws are a little bit rusty in there. This side's showing a little bit of pitting, a little scratch on top of that one. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Awesome tread on them. 283 under the hood here. Fairly stock, nice quiet motor. The dash pad's definitely coming up on the dash here. You can see up under it where the sun has gotten to it. And some of the seals around the front window are just kind of deteriorating and need to be pulled out, new seals put in and put back on. The top does come off on this one. We're not going to be taking it off today. It's a two-man job. Let's go ahead and head on back up here and look down the bottom part of the car. Little chip in the paint there. Roof itself looks pretty good. A little hazy up here. There's a scratch right here. Bumpers on the rear are in great condition as well. They look awesome. A few little marks there. Seal around the trunk. Eventually is going to need to be replaced. It's not falling apart. It does have some overspray and stuff on it. Trunk looks pretty good. The trunk mat's nice and clean. See if I can pull it up. Got your spare tire up under there. Go ahead and flip this back over. Trunk shuts nice and easy. And it lines up well. A little chip in the paint here. Couple chips in the back here as well. Top's got some haziness. Got your gas cap here. Mirror looks like it's fairly new. All right, made our way around the car. Let's go ahead and jump in there. Door opens up nice and easy. I did notice the window crank kept falling off on me. It didn't have the pin in it. Look at the bottoms of the doors. Carpet's a lot faded. Seats are in decent shape. A little loose with the foam here. Headliner looks great. Dash looks great other than the pad coming up. The rest of it's in good shape. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Well, I don't want to lose the keys up under there. Let's put the key in right. So our tint gauge is working. I don't think it's reading exactly right. The motor's probably around 140 right now, 150. We just got back from the test drive 30 minutes ago, but there's no way it's still at 190. And then it was trying to read like 210, 220, and I could pretty much set my hands on the valve covers, so I knew it wasn't that hot. Your oil pressure gauge looks like it's reading correct. It was up towards 50 when it was like on the cold start. Now it's at 40. And middle of a test drive, it'll go about 35. So couldn't get the tach to work. Speedometer wasn't working. Gas gauge looks like it's unplugged at the tank. And battery gauge is not even moving, so I don't think it works either. Defroster fan does work. I don't believe there's AC on this one at all, so we're not gonna have any AC. Something cool that I liked about this car, parks all the way back, reverse is one forward, neutral, drive, and low. But that's park, you go all the way back. Radio does not work. It was on full blast when we got in the car here. Windshield wipers, same thing. I think the switch is messed up. Actually, I don't think there's any plugs even going to the back of it. Got my hand back there now and I don't feel anything actually hooked up back there. So you got your hood release, which opens easily. Parking brake, that feels nice and stiff, so I think that one does work. Horn's not hooked up, no spring in there. Oh wait, I can hear a horn, but it's just very, very quiet. Motor's quiet. Like I said, it was reading 180 and I got my hand on here. I don't think that tint gauge is correct. It is a very old gauge. Go ahead and lay this down. It's just an awesome looking car. Like I said, I think I built a model car, or one of my first model cars was this, because I remember it sitting on my dresser as a kid. It's so cool. Feel like we should cruise up to Sonic. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots now. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the passenger, go to the rear and the driver's side, and then we'll conclude the video. If you haven't seen the test drive, please watch that. I've got that, and I'll put it down in the bottom right corner. All right, let's get some undercarriage shots. It's gonna be real low to the ground. Then the passenger side here. I do appreciate y'all watching. Please visit maplemotors.com. Got a whole classic car lot full of them. Got another vet up there I'm gonna get to today. We're on the back side of the lot right now. You can get financed, you can get shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all of the inventory at maplemotors.com. Also, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We go through about 40 to 50 cars a month, so you'll see a video at least every day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. Test drive's in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click it. Check it out.